The Calico Critters Kitchen Playset CC1836 is a comprehensive set that includes a double-door, 3-drawer refrigerator, stove unit, and sink unit, making it a fully equipped play kitchen. Adding to the realism, the set comes with a variety of cooking utensils, ingredients, and other small accessories that can be stored in the kitchen cabinet and drawers. One of the highlights of this playset is the refrigerator, which contains a freezer compartment from which ice can be taken out using the provided scoop. This playset can be combined with the Red Roof Country home and other figures to create a spacious kitchen scene, stimulating imaginative role-playing by children. The playset, suitable for children aged 3 years and above, comes with an impressive total of 37 pieces, including a variety of utensils and food items. Manufactured by Epoch Everlasting Play LLC, this Calico Critters Kitchen Playset is a high-quality toy that promotes creative and imaginative play.